Now that you should have tried to solve and answered the two questions on the bottom of 5 and the top of 6 on your own, let's go ahead and do them together. This says the measure of the angle ABC is 68 degrees, so this inside is 68 degrees. And then it's saying AB, the radius, is 10 units, so this is 10. Then it says find the arc length AC, so find this distance around the outside. So I'm going to write my formula. Arc length equals x over 360 times my circumference, 2 pi r, because I'm finding a piece of the circumference. So this piece of the circumference is when I have 68 degrees over the 360 degrees, and you don't have to write degrees there, times 2 pi times the radius, which is 10, and you can just chuck that whole thing into Desmos. So if I'm chucking this whole thing into Desmos, I need to get Desmos pulled back up. 68 divided by 360 times 2 pi times 10. So that gives me 11 point, and then it says 868, 8 rounds 6 up, so this is 8, 7, and then it tells me my units are units, so I can just say units here, and I am done. For this next question, it says a circle, and then it gives me the the central angle, which is 20 degrees. And then it gives me the length of the arc, which is 2/3 pi. So with that and the length of the arc, you're going to have to go through and you're going to have to set it up like we did last time. Arc length equals x over 360, or whatever piece of the whole arc that I have. So I have 20 out of the 360 degrees of a circle being represented times 2 pi. I still don't know the radius, that's what I'm looking for. And that should all equal 2/3 pi. So since I know these are now set up correctly, I have to put it in Desmos. This goes in line 1, this goes in line 2, this is replaced with an x, I have y equals, and I'm looking for x where they cross. So I need to type all of this into Desmos, or I can solve it by hand. So for this one, I'm going to come over here and solve it by hand. 2/3 pi equals 20 over 360 times 2 pi times the radius. Well, if I have things multiplied that are the same on both sides, I can get rid of them. So pi is the same as pi, they will cancel. And 2 is the same as 2, so they'll cancel, because that's the same as dividing both sides by 2 pi. So that leaves me with my left side being 1/3, and my right side I can simplify. I can knock out my zeros, because that's like dividing both the top and the bottom by 10. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So I have 1/3 equals 18, 1 over 18 r. To get rid of that 18, I multiply both sides by 18. So now I have 18 divided by 3 equals r, or r equals 6. And when you do it in Desmos, you should also get that r equals 6. So you can do it both ways, either by hand or in Desmos. Please double check your Canvas module to see what you were supposed to do next.